Hey there, folks!
Welcome back to Product Critique,
the channel where we bring you the best products on the market and give you the lowdown on why they're worth your attention. Today, we've got something special for all you camping and outdoor enthusiasts. The Chef Master 90019 Portable Butane Stove. Let me cut to the chase, right from the start. This right here is the best tabletop gas stove you can get your hands on. Whether you're an avid camper, a backpacker, or just someone who enjoys outdoor cooking, this Chef Master Butane Stove is an absolute game changer. Now, let's dive into the reasons why this portable stove is a must-have for your outdoor adventures. First and foremost, it packs a punch with its 15,000 BTU single burner. That's some serious heat in such a compact package. And the best part? It's incredibly easy to use. Thanks to its piezo click ignition, you don't even need a lighter. It ignites automatically with just a push of a button. Whether you're cooking up a storm while camping or simply enjoying a peaceful picnic, this stove has you covered. It's versatile enough to handle any culinary challenge you throw at it. From a hearty breakfast to a gourmet dinner, it's got the power to cook it all. Speaking of camping, this stove is as portable as it gets. It comes with a hard shell carrying case, making it easy to toss into your hiking backpack or camping bag. And when you're on the move, you'll appreciate its compact size and lightweight design. Safety is a top priority, and this Chef Master Butane Stove doesn't disappoint. It's packed with safety features, including an inline regulator with pressure sensing shut-off. If the pressure gets too high, the regulator steps in to prevent any dangerous situations. Plus, it even has a wind guard to keep the flame protected from the breeze. No more worries about your flame flickering out. After a satisfying meal, the last thing you want is a hassle with cleaning. Well, this stove is a breeze to dismantle and clean. Just remove the plate, and you're good to go. Keeping your cooking equipment clean is essential for safety, and this stove makes it easy. But wait, there's more. It's not just the stove, it's a complete package. You can get it standalone or with the stove and fuel option. And guess what? Whether you're a seasoned chef or a weekend warrior, having the right tools is essential. And this Chef Master Butane Stove checks all the boxes. So, there you have it, folks. The Chef Master 90019 Portable Butane Stove, your ultimate companion for outdoor cooking adventures. Trust me, this is the best tabletop gas stove you can find on the market. If you're ready to take your outdoor cooking game to the next level, check out the links in the description below. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe to Product Critique, and ring that notification bell for more fantastic product reviews. Thanks for tuning in, and happy cooking!